You know that feeling, right? Standing there, staring into the abyss of an empty suitcase, the crushing weight of potential already bearing down on you. It's tempting, isn't it? To pack for every eventuality, every whim, every possible scenario. But trust me, kids, that's the path to madness and a goddamn hernia. Hit that subscribe button and let me show you how a seasoned traveler packs light, because the real journey, the real experience, starts the moment you ditch the excess baggage. Those fluffy bastards, leave them at home. Quick dry microfiber is your new best friend. Lighter, smaller, dries in a flash. Unless you're trekking the Himalayas, you don't need 5 pairs of shoes. Pick 2, max comfortable walking shoes and something a little dressier. Yeah, I love the feel of a real book, but for travel, go digital or audiobook. Save space, save your back. Unless you're Ansel Adams, your phone camera is probably more than enough. So, leave the bulky SLR at home unless you're actually getting paid to shoot. Those giant bottles of shampoo and lotion, ditch them, travel size everything, or better yet, why not buy it at your destination? Less is more, kids. Pack versatile pieces that you can mix and match. Remember, you're there to experience the world, not to put on a fashion show. That brick of a guidebook? Ditch it. There are apps for that now, with up-to-date info and reviews. And always trust the locals. Leave the bling at home, it's just asking to get lost or stolen. Travel light, travel smart. Do you really need a separate phone, tablet, and laptop? Streamline. One device that does it all is the way to go. Resist the urge to pack your own snacks. Part of the adventure is trying the local fare. You'll find something delicious, I guarantee it. Don't carry wads of cash, it's a liability. Cards and digital payments are accepted almost everywhere now. Be smart, be safe. One bag, that's it. A sturdy backpack or a rolling carry-on. The less you carry, the freer you are, trust me on this one. You don't need a full salon in your suitcase. A travel-sized dual-voltage hairdryer is all you need. Embrace the local look. Leave the destination-specific clothing at home. Pack versatile clothes that can be layered and adapted to different climates and situations. Ditch the hard copies. Scan important documents and store them digitally. You'll thank me when you don't have to lug around a file cabinet. Remember, kids, the lighter you travel, the richer the experience. So, ditch the excess baggage, embrace the unknown, and get out there and see the world. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. There's a whole world out there waiting to be explored. Don't let the weight of your belongings hold you back.